Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. We are going to show you the progress being made on the installation of the streetlights. Now between Harbour View and Yallahs, the 17-kilometer stretch of roadway, JPS and the NWA will be installing streetlights. So the entire stretch of roadway from Harbour View to Yallahs will have streetlights. And this is very good because a lot of the roads in Jamaica, like the other highways in Jamaica, none of them have streetlights. Only where you come upon the toll road section. So this is a very long stretch of roadway to get the streetlights. 17 kilometers of road. So there you can see the process has begun. Oh, actually, this is where, when we go over the bridge, this is where the project actually starts. So this is a Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. This is Harbour View, but this section has the street lights on the banks of the road, so they are on the left. This actually, there you can see them. And these stoplights, I'm not sure if that's a new stoplight, but where the dual carriageway starts now, that's where the road was expanded to 4 lanes. The street lights are going to be in the median, in the middle of the road, on top of the concrete barricade, or the Jersey barrier as they call them. So right here now is the Jersey barrier. There, and there you can see the street lights in the middle of the road. So this is a section that the new street lights are being installed. So although the highway starts at the Harbour View Bridge, it's right where you saw the Jersey barrier that the street lights are going to be installed. The other section of the road already had the street lights. So it's good that they're putting it in the middle of the road and not on the side. It should also help with accidents because a lot of times people crash into the streetlights when they're on the side of the road, and also they steal them a lot. Yes, can you imagine? They steal the streetlights. I'm not sure what they do with them after they steal them, but there is a serious problem of the theft of streetlights. And when they're in the middle of the road, I'm sure it's going to be a lot harder for people to steal them because it's in the middle of the road. But let's see what happens. Alright, so there you can see the installation of the streetlights is progressing nicely. They haven't finished yet, but they've made a lot of progress. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives a lot more information on the project. The National Works Agency, NWA, has commenced the multi-million-dollar lighting component of works along the road from Harbour View, St. Andrew to Yallahs in St. Thomas. The 17-kilometer stretch, which forms part of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Program, is being outfitted with some 400 light poles through a contract valued at just over $400 million. The project is being executed in partnership with the Jamaica Public Service Company. Manager Communication and Customer Services at the NWA, Stephen Shaw, says that the erection of the poles form part of the final works being undertaken. It is expected that the installation of the poles will be completed by Christmas 2023. In the meantime, Mr. Shaw says that progress is also being made with the installation of traffic signals along the corridor. 11 such systems are to be installed. The first bank of lights was erected recently at the junction to the Grants Pen community in St. Thomas. Other final works now being undertaken as part of the overall works are the installation of safety features, include road markings and signs, as well as corrective works to minor defects in some areas. The Harbour View to Yallahs leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project is being done at a cost of over US $114 million. The road is being built as a 4-lane highway with several sections being realigned for safety and efficiency purposes. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So here you can see a lot of progress being made with the installation of the street lights. And a lot of these lights are operational. We're going to come back and make a video at night so that you can see the street lights in use. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive from Harbour View towards Bull Bay on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.